Hey friends, so in this tutorial of Solidworks, we are going to see that how can you use how can you edit any figure without any trouble, and how can you edit the angles, and how can you make a 3D from that, and how can you give the dimension to the 3D part. So that's the important thing here. So I'm going to make that one. So I'm going for a new file. So being precise that I'm not going to make any component with a given dimension. I'm just going to make an arbitrary with my thinking, whatever I'm going to get it. So let's go for a front view, and so we're going to make any kind of wedge shape geometry. So going for that, and from here going for this angle, and then here straight one, and connecting to the origin again. So now we have this geometry. So as you can see here, the black line shows that it's fully defined. Blue lines are not fully defined, so we have to define this. So how can you edit the dimension of the lines, which you make an arbitrary one from the firstly, and then how can you edit the dimension to that? So as you can see here, let's give this is as 60, and left angle is 135. So we have given dimension for this one. So if you click here, and if you go for second one to change the dimension, you give it like 75, and angle let's say 170. So what if you click here, what else you can see, the dimension are pretty good for this one till now. I'm going to change this one, that's a 40, and this is 215, and going for here, let's say it's 40, and this is 70. Okay, so now as I'm changing the dimension, you can see for this the angle has been changed, as you can see here. So we don't want this thing in our geometry. So what we can do, so click here, give the dimension 135, this is 65, and make it fixed, then click OK. So it is black, now it is fixed, the dimension will be remain same. If you go here, keep it as 170 and make it fixed. Go here, dimension are correct, make it fixed. And if you go here, give it as 55, make it fixed. Make it fixed, and 35, make it fixed. So we have completed our geometry with perfect dimension, which aren't changed. Only this is changed, because if you modify this, it has to be changed. So this is a perfect geometry. Now if you go for exit, we got this image. Now we are going to make it as 3D. So we are going for features, going for extrude boss or base, and you can give the thickness here, let's say 40. So we have made this geometry. Now what we have to do, we have to give angle to this between these lines, and a dimension to this 3D geometry. So for that you have to go for sketch, for smart dimension, click it here, as you can see, click dimension, to click dimension location, so click here, So we are going to give dimension between this line and the back face. So for that we have to go for location dimension, select this face, and then you have to go for create intersection line, and then you have to select this face so that we can get intersection line. So we have this intersection line, and now we want dimension between this line and this one to select this face. So as you can see, we got this dimension here, and then click OK. So we got the dimension between the back face and the front line in this way. So now the second thing is that we want to get the angle. So for that we go for basic location dimension. If you click here, sorry, again you have to go for basic location dimension and select these two planes, and if you click here, you will get this angle. So as you can see here, so you can get this angle also if you go for basic location dimension. So in this way you can give dimension to your 3D geometry. So if you want to give angle between these two slant surface, just click on this, you can get the angle. If you want to give angle between this plane and the bottom plane, click on the first one, click on the bottom one, and so this is the 10 degree. You can see here. So in this way you can give dimension and angles to the 3D geometry. I hope this video will be helpful to you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. I hope it's helpful. Thank you for watching the video.